Welcome to Adventures with the Cohns, and on this adventure, we're in Cloudland Canyon State Park in Rising Fawn, Georgia.
Yeah, we are camping and there's lots to do here. There are 2 waterfall hikes that we want to explore today, and so I have my notes here. So the first one is Cherokee Falls. Apparently it is 200 steps down to Cherokee Falls, so you're walking down steps to get there, and then that's about half a mile, and then it's another 400 steps to Hemlock Falls, which is the tallest at 90 feet. So we're gonna see if we can do both of them. We might only do one, I don't know, but we'll find out.
So come along with us and see what these waterfall hikes look like. So we're gonna head down the main trailhead, which will lead us to the Waterfalls trail. Everybody went ahead of me so that they can see something special, which you're about to see. So let's go see what they see. And here comes Sweet Pea. As you could probably already see what's coming ahead. Oh wait, we're already starting the steps. As you're about to see the magnificent view of the canyon. And if you can hear water down below. But look at that view! Man, look at the view as we're walking through the waterfall. Now, there's some steps and stuff that we're going to have to go through.
We're starting on the west rim, and then it'll join into the steps. So I don't think those steps counted.
So we're heading to the west rim.
I think we're on the west rim, and then it'll veer off into Cherokee.
So as Pumpkin was talking about, was this the steps? And so I was telling her some more stairs that we're going to be going down, right?
And more roots.
I think you get less roots on stairs.
I guess we'll find out.
Oh, more roots like this.
This is new to us, so we're going on an adventure to find out how to get to these waterfalls. And from what we've been told is there's marked. I don't know if yellow is part, but yes, I think we were supposed to go to the yellow trail.
Oh, it is yellow. I think if that's marked for the west rim. West loop, west rim.
So it's always good to be guided in the right direction. But come on, girls, you know we're used to roots. This is nothing.
And rocks.
So we just came down some stairs, but I don't think that's part of the 200 steps to the first waterfall hike that we're gonna hit. But what I would say though is be careful if you decide to go straight down, is be careful of that top rock because it's a little loose as of this video. I don't know what it'll be like when you come down, but just be careful as you come down. But you could also go around behind that tree and come down this way. But there's a sign that we are seeing that is talking about which way to go. And you know, when you start hearing about sign, you go, I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. But let's see what the sign says. It's saying, attention hikers, be alert for falling rocks. That's always good to know. But now there's another sign. It is a dirt path.
You want to try to decipher, we're here, so we want to get to here and then potentially Hemlock.
So based off of this sign, what I would say is we go down, but then we're gonna go left, and there should be a sign that says which way to go.
Okay.
But let's see. I
have the brochure in my backpack. I have to pull it out.
But remember, we're going on an adventure. You never know what's going to happen.
I don't think these are the steps yet.
Everybody thinks steps are steps. Whoa, we found a creature and it's following us. Anyway, onward and upward.
I think you're more interested in the creatures than we are. We run from the creatures.
I'm fascinated by God's creation. Snakes are our friend unless you're Satan. But I will say this, be careful along this trail because it is a little bumpy with rocks and everything. Anybody can slip and fall and hurt themselves. So safety first is my motto.
Try to stay on the left. There's some good,
Oh, look at that.
have to come back and get a picture there.
Yeah, that's a picturesque. But I will say this, and they've said it, not us, but people have said it's muddy and stuff, so always good shoes. Okay, so now we're at a fork.
You guys missed the sign, although you are going the right way. So to continue on the West Rim Trail, we would go this way, which we will probably do, but we're gonna go to the Waterfall Trail.
So we're gonna go diagonal down instead of going straight.
All right, we came to the steps. There's 200 right down the Cherokee.
We're gonna count them to make sure, though.
And guess what? They will.
Okay.
If you've watched our St. Augustine video,
I don't think they counted in the video.
you know, as I was saying that, I have a brain injury.
Let's go.
But I think they did count the steps to the top, but this starts the 200 steps right there. Pray for us and make sure we can get through this video. But what's amazing though is you can hear the water flowing down below, which means there's going to be a waterfall because there had been rain I think a few weeks ago, so we are guaranteed a waterfall, and so are you.
There's
40 steps already, she said.
Well, they got 40 before I did. So here's a little sneak peek, but if you can see through the trees, you can see a waterfall. But guess what? We're getting to that, but I just want to show you a little bit of what you can see. So let's get down there. Man, look at that. Now remember, you got to be careful of falling rocks, so I don't think you'd want that falling on you. Definitely a lot of footworking. Uh-oh, they're braving themselves going underneath that big rock.
I feel like this is gonna take longer than the hour and a half they say because we keep stopping for pictures.
I feel like this is a big house.
This is neat. Of course, gotta take another picture. We don't have this in Florida.
Comment down in the section below if you think I should go ahead without them while they take pictures and see everything before them. Comment below if you think I should.
Say cheese.
What a family family, because look at all the steps we are going down.
Now and then we have to come back up, right?
That's the strenuous part of this trail.
That's the hard
But you know what's beautiful about this trail though?
waterfall.
The waterfalls. Look at that, I'm training my kids well. Alright, so we came to the sign that says to go one way or the other. So there's the Cherokee Falls side and Hemlock side. So we're gonna go to the Cherokee Falls side.
Look, you can see the waterfall. Waterfall? You can see it. No, we're gonna go down. We'll get down closer.
Okay, lead the way.
How many steps are we at so far?
Okay, we're at 180.
180 and it's 200 there.
We only have 20 more steps to go. It's good to have kids that count for you because I'm not paying attention to it.
Me neither.
I'm just excited to go see a waterfall. You never know what creation God has made for us to see unless you go out and adventure out.
Don't get too close. Ooh, nice. Don't get
Oh,
too
look. Let the river run. I know everybody's going to look back in this video and be like, why did you do that?
Wow, that's big. I mean, it's a lot.
I think this is probably one of the bigger waterfalls we've seen. So I don't know.
Okay, watch that route. I tripped. I'm known for tripping though, so.
I was going to say we didn't see that, but I think I got it on film. All right, we're getting down to the last of the steps.
Oh, I don't know. It looks big from back there. Maybe.
Uh-oh. You know, when you see a dot, you know, from a distance, and it's like this, but when you get to it, it's only like that, so it's not that big. But we're gonna find out how big this waterfall really is. Sounds like a roaring waterfall, but that's just because of the river.
Wow. That looks beautiful. The rocks, the water. It's so pretty.
Look at that. Look at that.
So pretty. Let's go get some pictures. Wow. We might have to come back and.
Now that's a waterfall.
That's a big one.
So we just finished the Cherokee Falls, but hey girls, do you want to go to Hemlock Falls?
Yeah! there.
Yeah, we're good.
Also, should I count the 400 steps?
Should she? Tell us in the comment section below, but I'm going to give you a little insight. She's going to. But let us know in the comment section below if you think she's going to count. So here we go.
There we go. And it took us, what, about 15-20 minutes to get to Cherokee from the top. So
Yeah, if we unfactor the picture taking, it's about 15-20 minutes to get to Cherokee Falls from the top. But now we're gonna see how long it takes to get to Hemlock Falls. And again, as I said when we were heading to Cherokee Falls, is you gotta be careful with the trailing, even through the steps. We've come to some stone stairs. I guess that's part of the steps too. But from what I see, looks like we're coming closer to the end to see the waterfall. As that's what the sign says. Sign says to go. Wait, I thought we were going down. Now it looks like we're going up.
well, it's not too hard for that one. Look, she's way up there.
Wow.
Let's catch up.
Pumpkin was supposed to be the leader. But Sweet Pea ended up being the leader.
Is it bigger?
It's way bigger. At least to mine.
So Sweet Pea says this waterfall is bigger than Cherokee Fall.
I did read it's like 90 feet.
Oh wow.
So,
That's big. I'm only 5 feet.
you're not 5 feet.
5 feet 10, 5 foot 10. Okay. I lost inches, but. So, we're coming around. Do you see it yet? Do you see it yet? Oh look, people are over there.
Wow.
So this is Hemlock Falls.
I don't know how these people got down there.
I see down there. I think people went down here. I could be wrong. They went down there to get there. So let us know in the comment section what you think of Hemlock Falls. So as you know, we finished Hemlock Falls and now we have to go back up to the beginning. And I will say this, for me, it's a little strenuous because you do know once you go down steps, it's definitely easier, but you have to go back up. So just my tip, it's easy going down, but it is a little harder going back up, but I know you can do it. If we can do it, I know you can do it. So that's my tip to you. Well, there you have it. 2 waterfalls at Cloudland Canyon State Park. What more can you ask? Hey girls, which waterfall did you like? Cherokee or Hemlock Falls?
I like both of them. I liked, Cherokee better though.
What about you, Pumpkin?
Cherokee.
What about you, Mommy?
I like Cherokee better.
Well, I'm afraid Cherokee wins because we all thought Cherokee was the best out of the 2. We're not saying Hemlock was bad, but out of the 2, we all like Cherokee the best. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. But while you're at it, hit the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks again for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.